Edexcel IGCSE Further Pure Mathematics Chapter 2 Quadratic Function Part 3 Solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. I have taught derivations of quadratic formula in part 2. What is quadratic formula? A is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. We can derive from quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? ax squared plus bx plus c. Example 5. Use the quadratic formula to solve 4x squared minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. In this question, we have to find x using quadratic formula. So we need to compare first quadratic equation with this given equation. Okay, first, what do we do? Here, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. The given equations and standard quadratic equation, we need to compare. What do you get? We have to find ABC. So what do you get? A equal to 4, B equal to negative 3, C equal to negative 2. And then we have to write quadratic formula. Okay. X equal to negative B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. After that, we have to substitute in the formula to find x. So x equal to negative b. Okay, negative. What is b? B is minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square. What is b? Minus 3 square minus 4ac. Okay, 4. What is A? A is 4. What is C? Negative 2. Divided by 2A. 2 into A is 4. Okay. This one we need to simplify. 2, 4 is 8. Minus 3 change to plus 3. Plus or minus square root of minus 3 square is 9. Minus change to plus. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Okay. We need to simplify 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 32. What do you get? 41 divided by 8. Okay. What do you get? 3. There is 2 solutions because there is the most power is 2. We can find 2 solutions. So what do you get? For plus 3 plus square root of 41 over 8. And then another solution is 3 minus square root of 41 over 8. Okay, there is a 2 solution. Okay, this is the using quadratic solve for x using quadratic formula. I have to fix in part 2 example 4. Complete the square to solve. To find x using complete square. First here I teach. Yeah, there is a minus. I did with minus. X squared plus 8x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, complete square. How do you do? A squared plus 8x equal to 10. And then you need to add both sides. A coefficient of x divided by 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. You need to add both sides, 16. No? So what do you get? A squared plus 8x plus 16 equal to 10 plus 16. Okay? What do you get this one? You can write complete square x plus 4 the whole square equal to 26. X plus 4 equal to plus or minus square root of 26. You can find x equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 26. Okay, I did like that. A squared plus 8x minus. Yeah, now I teach you with plus. Okay, how do you do? Yeah. X squared plus 8x equal to minus 10. Okay, you need to find x using complete square. Coefficients of x is 8. Divided by 2 is 4 plus 16 both sides. So what do you get? X plus 4 the whole square equal to minus 10 plus 66. So x plus 4 equal to plus or minus square root of 6. X equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 6. This is with plus. This is solution for example 4. Okay. Okay, after that, yeah, I taught you solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Okay, example 5 finished. Okay, now let's continue with exercise. Exercise 3-1A. What is question? Solve the quadratic equation. Solve these quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Okay, you need to find x using quadratic formula. Leave your answer in SAT form. SAT means with square root. With root. Okay, and then number 1A. What is question? X squared equal to 6x. We have to use quadratic formula. First, we have to do right side must be 0. So we have to move left side. A squared minus 6x equal to 0. We can find x using factorization, but there is a way given using quadratic formula. So we have to compare with standard quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. There is no c. No c means plus 0. So what do you get? A equal to 0, b equal to minus 6, and c equal to 0. So after compare, you have to write down formula for quadratic equation. X equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. After that, you have to substitute. Minus b minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus c square minus. There is c 0, so c is 0. So 0 multiplied with any number, you can find 0. Okay, and then 2a. 2a, what is a? A is 1. Sorry, a is 1. B is minus 6. C is 0. No? A is 1. So what do you get? Yeah, minus change to 6. Plus 6. And then plus or minus. Yeah, square root of 36. What do you get? 6. Divided by 2. So what do you get? There is 2 solution. 6 plus 6 divided by 2 equal to 6. 6 minus 6 divided by 2. 0 by 2 equal to 0. So this is solution for number 1A. Okay, now number 1B. Okay, there is a right side is 0. That's why we have to compare and find x using quadratic formula. Okay. What is quadratic equation? Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. There is no c, that's why 0. You need to know. Compare, what do you get? A equal to 2, b equal to 50, c equal to 0. After that, you have to write down formula x equal to x equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a negative b, negative. What is b? B is 50. So negative 50 plus or minus square root of 50 square minus 4ac. C is 0. That's why 4ac must be 0. Okay. And then 2a. A is 2. 2 into 2. Okay, what do you get? Minus 50 plus square root and squares are cancelled. Square root and square are cancelled. That's why, what do you get? 50 only left. So, plus or minus 50 divided by 4. Yeah, you can find easily. For addition, minus 50 plus 50, what do you get? 0 divided by 4. 0. Yeah, minus 50 minus 100 by 4. What do you get? Minus 25. Okay, this is required solution for B. Okay, now number C. Number C, write down standard quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare these two, comparing from this, we can find coefficient. Okay, a equal to 1. Comparing coefficients. B equal to minus 1. C equal to minus 6. Okay. After that, we need to write down x equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Negative, what is b? B is negative 1 plus or minus square root of b square means minus 1 square minus 4ac. Okay, 4. What is a? A is 1. What is c? C is minus 6 divided over 2a. 2a. 2 into 1. Okay, what do you get? Equal to divided by 2. Minus 1 plus 1. Plus or minus square root of. Here, minus 1 square is 1. 6 and 4 and 1. What do you get? 24. Minus change to plus 24. Okay, 25. 25 means 5. Okay, no? Square root of 25 is 5. So what do you get? So you can find two solutions. 1 plus 5 divided by 2 or 1 minus 5 divided by 2. So what do you get? 1 plus 5 is 6. Here. Yeah. What do you get? X equal to 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 1 minus 5 is minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2. Solution for C is x equal to 3, comma, minus 2. Number D. I think you can do number D and E are very easy. First, you have to write down standard quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c. And then you can write a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 2. And then quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, what is minus? Minus, b is minus 4, minus change to 4 plus 4 plus or minus square root of. Minus 4 square is 16 minus 4ac. 4 into what is a? A is 1. C is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. Divided by 2a. 2 into 1 is 2. What do you get? 4 plus or minus square root of 8 divided by 2. Okay. 4 plus or minus square root of 8 is 2 root 2. Divided by 2. What do you get? 2 plus or minus root 2. This is solution for D. Okay. Here, number E. Number E also compare with this. What do you get? A equal to 1. B equal to 2. C equal to minus 2. X equal to, you can write formula. And then substitute. What do you get? Minus. B is 2 plus or minus square root of. B square is 4 minus 4ac. 4 into A. A is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. And then C is minus 2. What do you get? Plus 4 times 2 is 8 divided by 2. What do you get? Negative 2 plus or minus square root of 12. Square root of 12 is here. You can factor 12 with perfect square. What do you get? 4 into 3 divided by 2 equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. What do you get here? Minus 1 plus or minus root 3. This is solution for number E. Okay, next question. Oh, here, x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, what do you get? Yeah, A, you can write here, A equal to 1, B equal to, what do you get? 7, C equal to 10. Okay, you can remember, A is the coefficients of x squared, B is the coefficients of 7, C is constant. Okay, you can write, okay, no? Easily. So, negative B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. So negative B is negative 7 plus or minus square root of 7 square is 49 minus 4AC. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 10 is 40. Divided by 2A. 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, minus 7 plus or minus square root of 9 divided by 2. Okay, you can find two solutions. Square root of 9, what do you get? Minus 7 plus or minus 3 over 2. Okay. Yeah, you can find here. Minus 7 plus 3, what do you get? Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4 divided by 2. What do you get? Minus 2. Minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 divided by 2. What do you get? Minus 5. This is a solution for number F. Okay, you can write A is coefficients of t squared 1. B is coefficients of t minus 5. C is constant then minus 6. Okay. And then what do you do? A is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And then plug in. What do you get? Negative 5 is 5 plus square root of b square is what do you get? 25 minus 4ac. 4 into a is 4. Minus change to plus. 4 times 6 is 24 divided by plus or minus divided by 2a is 2 is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of this 25 plus 24. What do you get? 49. 49 square root is what do you get? 7 divided by 2. There is two solutions. 5 plus 7 is 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. 5 minus 7 equal to minus 2 divided by 2 equal to minus 1. For answer for G is 6, minus 1. Okay, H. A equal to what do you get? A equal to 1. A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to minus 35. And then A is equal to negative B plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Negative b is 2 plus or minus square root of b square. 2 square is 4 minus 4a. So what is 4? 4 into a is 1, c is minus 35. Okay. Okay, minus change to plus. 4 into 35, what do you get? 35 2 times 70, 72 times 140. So 140 plus 4 is 144. Square root of 100, okay, 2a is 2. What is a is 1. Minus 2 plus or minus square root of 144 by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 12 over 2. Yeah. Minus 2 plus 12 is, what do you get? Plus 10 divided by 2. Minus 2 minus 12, what do you get? Minus 14 divided by 2. Okay. What do you get? 10 by 2 is 5. Minus 14 by 2 is minus 7. This is a solution for H. And then I. Okay, A equal to what? What is A? 1. B equal to minus 4. C equal to plus 4. So A is equal to negative B, negative 4, plus or minus square root of B square. B is negative 4. Negative 4 square is what do you get? 16 minus 4AC, 4 into 1 into 4. So what do you get? 4, 16 divided by 2A, 2 into 1 is 2. So what do you get? This is 0. What do you get? A is equal to, what do you get? 4 plus or minus 0 by 2. Okay, 4 plus 0, what do you get? 4. 4 minus 0 equal to also 4. 4 by 2, 4 by 2. What do you get? 2, 2. So there is two solutions for I. Okay. And then number 27. J. What is A? You can find here. A is A equal to 1. B equal to 6. C equal to 6. So what do you get? X equal to negative B, negative 6, plus or minus B square is 6 square. 6 square, what do you get? 36 minus 4AC. What is 4AC? 4 into 1 into C is 6. What do you get? 24. So minus 24 divided by 2A is 2 into 1. Equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 12 over 2. What do you get? Minus 6 plus or minus square root of 12 equal to, you can factor with buffer square. 4 into 3. 4 can outside. What do you get? 2 square root of 3. 2 square root of 3 over 2. What do you get? Minus 3 plus or minus root 3 for J. Okay, we finish number 1. Okay, now number 2. For this question, solve this equation leaving your answer in set form. That's why we have to use quadratic formula. Okay, how do we do? A equal to 9, B equal to minus 6. There is minus, you need to take it. C equal to minus 25. Okay, what do you get? X equal to minus B minus 6. So what do you get? Plus 6. Plus or minus square root of B square is a minus 6 square. What do you get? 36. Minus 4AC or 4. What is A? 9 into what is C? Minus 25. Okay. 25 times 4 is 100. 100 times 9 is 900. Minus change to plus. So here 900 divided by 2A. 2 into 9. Okay. Oh, what do you get? 6 plus or minus square root of 936 divided by 18. Okay, square root of 936, what do you get? Oh, 6 root 26. So you can write here. X equal to 6 plus or minus 6 square root of 26 divided by 18. So what do you get? 6 outside and you can simplify with 3 or with 6. 6 times 3. Okay. 1 plus or minus square root of 26. So there is 2 solutions. One solution for plus, one other solution for minus. B. You can compare with the given equation. Okay, what do you get? A equal to 3, B equal to minus 6, C equal to 2, X equal to negative B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A minus B minus 6. What do you get? Plus 6 plus or minus square root of B square minus 6 the whole square. What do you get? 36 minus 4AC. 4. What is A? A is 3. What is C? C is 2. So what do you get? 24. Divided by 2A means 2 into 3. What do you get? 6 plus or minus square root of 12 divided by 6. Okay, you can simplify this. 6 plus or minus square root of 12. What do you get? 2 to 3 divided by 6. What is your solution? 1 plus or minus root 3 over 3. This is solution for 2B. Okay, in test for solution, not that. Test for solution, wrong. Remember that. 1 plus or minus 2, 3 by. Oh, okay. Okay. Also right, because like that. Solution in textbook. Write down like that. Okay. Here like that. 3 plus or minus square root of root 3 by 3. Okay, this is also okay. You can write also, not like that. Okay, right, not wrong. Yeah. What is A? A equal to 6. B equal to -5. C equal to -6. So X equal to, you can write formula and then plug in. What do you get? Minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 square is 25 minus 4AC. Minus change to plus. Okay, 4 into 6, what do you get? 24. Also 4 into 6 is 36 also okay. What do you get? 144. Okay. And then 2A. What is 2A? 2 into 6 is 12. Okay. 5 plus or minus square root of what do you get? 169 over 12. What do you get? 5 plus or minus square root of 169 is 13 over 12. Okay. There is two solutions. 5 plus 13, 18 over 12. And another solution is 5 minus 13. What do you get? Minus 8 over 12. Okay, you can simplify. What is solution? First one is simplify with 6 is 3 and 2. This is minus 4. Simplify with 4. 2 by 3. Okay, this is solution for number C. Okay, number D. What is A? A equal to 2. B equal to 3. C equal to -1. And then write down quadratic form and plug in. Okay, negative B, -3, plus or minus. Square root of B square. B square is what do you get? 3 square. 3 square is 9. And then minus 4AC. Minus change to plus. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 1 is what do you get? 8. Divided by 2a means 2 multiplied to what do you get 4? So what do you get? -3 plus or minus square root of 17 divided by 4. This is required solution. Yeah, number E. Okay, what is A?